geeska Afrikiyo gacankiyo badda cas geeska Afrikiyo gacankiyo badda cas dumadku iyadoodiyo geeldhalay kumaashiyo.
He is the Imam of Ottawa's oldest and first mosque. I welcome Imam Sami Metwali.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا والله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. All praise and thanks are due to Allah and peace and blessings be upon our Prophet Muhammad صلى الله عليه وسلم. First of all, let me make dua or pray for Abdurrahman Abdi and his family and for everyone who's here, in fact, in our community, inshallah, all communities. يعني اللهم ارحم أخانا عبد الرحمن يا رب يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. اللهم ارحمه برحمتك الواسعة يا أكرم الأكرمين. اللهم تقبله في عبادك الصالحين. اللهم تقبله في عبادك الصالحين. اللهم احشره مع النبيين والصديقين والشهداء والصالحين برحمتك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. اللهم صبر أهله يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم بارك فينا جميعا برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم آمين. So make dua, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless the soul of our brother Abdul Rahman and grant him paradise, Allahumma ameen. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless his family and grant them patience, Allahumma ameen. And may Allah bless all of you who are coming here and who are not here today, by the way, standing for justice, which is a blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we stand united for justice. You know, values such as justice are not beautiful when we only speak about them, but they are really beautiful when we practice them. And in fact, you know, a few years ago in Harvard Law School, one of the most prestigious institutions of its kind, they posted a verse from the Quran at the entrance, the main entrance, you know, of the faculty. And here, you know, the verse of the Quran, it says, you know, يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا قوامين بالقسط شهداء لله ولو على أنفسكم أو الوالدين والأقربين إن يكن غنيا أو فقيرا فالله أولى بهما فلا تتبعوا الهوى أن تعدلوا وإن تلوا أو تعرضوا فإن الله كان عليما خبيرا. This verse of the Quran from the chapter on women in the Quran, it means, O you who believe, stand out firmly for justice as witnesses to Allah, to God, even though it be against yourself. Even it is against yourselves, or your parents, or your kin. Be rich or poor, God is more worthy of both. So follow not your personal inclination, lest you not be just. And if you distort your testimony or refuse to give it, verily God is ever well acquainted with what you know. You know, imagine this beautiful verse of the Quran. Some of the students at the school, you know, they made some demonstrations trying to take it out. But the response of the university and the faculty was that they searched in all what has been written about justice and they couldn't find better than this verse of the Quran. After 1 year, we stand today united for justice, not only for Abdurrahman, but for everyone. We all stand for justice for anyone, regardless of faith or race or color or nationality. In fact, what happened was a test, not only for Abdurrahman and for his family, but a test for all of us and for all of us as Canadians. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bring justice for Abdurrahman and for any person who faced injustice. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help us together to remain united for justice for all. أقول قولي هذا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.